Welcome back to another recipe, and today I'm going to be making Egyptian Hawashi. Out of all the Egyptian dishes, this is by far my favorite, and this recipe is so simple and easy to make, and I've honestly made it more than once already. So for the ingredients, we're going to use garlic, bell pepper, spinach, coriander, and parsley, and of course the main deal, which is mince. And the seasoning: paprika, black pepper, salt, cumin, ginger, and Hawashi mix. The Hawashi mix is optional, so if you don't have it, you can completely skip it out. My personal opinion, when it comes to minced meat, I feel the more seasoning the better. For some reason, I've noticed minced meat doesn't really hold flavor as well as the other beef cuts, so the more you season it, the better it tastes. So once we have it all mixed up, we're going to go ahead and heat up a hot pan with oil and brown the mince. Now in some cases, I have seen other Arab cultures that will actually skip the whole frying the mince part and will fry the mince once it's inside the pita bread. But for me, I prefer to just get the meat all cooked and out of the way. That way I don't have to leave the pita bread in to fry for too long. So I prefer to cook my mince first. So to our cooked mince, we're going to add in some feta cheese. This is just an optional step. You can completely skip it if you want to. And then we're going to go ahead and take our pita bread and slice it in half. And stuff each of these halves of the cooked mince, not too full as we don't want them to be overflowing, but we just want them to be just enough. Then we're going to go ahead to our hot pan again. We're going to fry them until they are browned and a little bit crispy. So that's around 1 to 2 minutes on each side. And then we're going to remove them and they are ready to enjoy. Serve with some yogurt dip or any sort of dip and you're ready to indulge in these delicious hawashi. Honestly, you will not regret making these at all. I can promise you, and that is my word. For all my Egyptian followers, don't come after me if I got any of this wrong. This is my version of the Egyptian hawashi, so I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel for more simple but delicious recipes and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Cook with Sakina. See you in the next video. Bye!